Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome to my show. Today, we're just gonna look at the crypto market. Of course, nothing is going on, but I'm just gonna, briefly just I guess share my thoughts. And if you're new to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of losing, if you're tired of just trying to figure out what's going on with the crypto market, if you're tired of YouTubers lying to you, telling you every single month the market is gonna go up, definitely hit that subscribe button, okay? Because over here, I don't give you hype. I just give you the real deal. I give you the facts. Right now, the market's not doing anything, but me personally, I only focus on the charts because the charts will tell you everything, right? So hit that subscribe button. If you're watching that replay, hit settings, speed 1.5 or 2 to speed up the video. And of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving no one financial advice. This is entertainment only. All right, so let's get this party started. I don't know if people are going to show up right now. It's 11:47 p.m. on my side, a.m. Actually 11:47 a.m. on my side. So it's Sunday, so I don't know how many people are going to show up. Let's see if I see anybody so far. I do. I see Davina. I see Alex. I see Sai. I see Jafer. I believe I'm saying that. All right, so guys, let me pop out this chat real quick. And let's see how many people is going to come in soon. But I'm going to basically get this party started. What's going on, Lance? All right. Jay said I'm bringing the knowledge on Sunday. Well, I hope so. I'm not. I mean, honestly, it's really nothing to talk about today. So I'm just doing a quick, I guess, update. Nothing really going on, so it's sad. It's sad what I'm seeing with the crypto market. But I guess it is what it is, right? What's going on, crypto? Okay, crypto vet. What's going on? Military vet. All right. So let's go to CoinMarketCap real quick, and let me refresh this. And actually, let me give you guys a round of applause. I forgot to do that. Let's see if I can get that clap button real quick. I'll give you guys a round of applause. Thanks a lot for stopping by on a Sunday morning. All right. All right, so CoinMarketCap, nothing. We still at that 209 level. Bitcoin dominance is still at 53.7. And the market is still stable, okay? Right now, the crypto market is real stable, and it's not really doing anything. So the volume is still low. It is what it is, guys. So let's go to Bitcoin real quick. Let's see if I see any abnormal volume. Let me see something real quick. We might. We'll put some volume on the chart. Close this out. Nah, the volume is still low. All right, so guys, nothing. Okay, we still in this crazy channel. Okay, we still, the market's still, hovering around these levels. So we waiting for either a break to the upside or a break to the downside. It wouldn't surprise me if they decide to go up one more time. Definitely wouldn't surprise me. But this is not a bullish setup right here. Definitely not bullish at all. But we just have to wait. And guys, if you are, what's going on, John? If you are in this chat room, definitely, if you have any questions, let me know. So my thing was today is, okay, I thought the crypto market was going to moon in October. Okay, I thought we was going to see some type of moon in October. Okay. And me personally, I didn't say that. I'm just saying, your crypto experts, okay, the people that you quite sure you guys know, this was the, they said that October is the month we're going to see a big, moon or whatever you want to call it. And this is why, like I said, guys, trying to predict what's going to happen time-wise is a losing game. You can't come in any market and say October is going to be the month is going to, October is going to be the month where we see the market start to, turn bullish. You can't do that. Okay. Just like people are saying November and December is going to be moon months. You can't, This is why you have to study the market. Don't listen to these crazy YouTubers. They've been wrong the whole year. The market is stable, not going anywhere. It looks like the market probably wants to stay above this 6,000, maybe all the way until the end of this year, maybe. Okay, or we might see a crazy move, which is, I would say, since this is the end of October, we might see a crazy move in November. Okay, maybe to the upside or downside. So we'll see. Maybe the first week of November. So we'll see. And I think that's next week, right? Let me check my calendar. I believe that's next week. I think November is next week. Let me see here. Let me look at my calendar. Yeah, November 1st. Actually, no. Let me see. November 1st starts on Thursday. So maybe Thursday, Friday, we might see something. Who knows? All right. But this is why I tell you guys, just relax. And for the people that's trying to trade this, if you're not on my live stream right now and you're just listening, listening to the replay, relax, man. Relax. Don't try to trade these markets right now. Wait for this thing to break down or do something. Because right now, we're just chopping around and you pretty much going to lose your whole account trying to mess with these up moves, down moves, okay? Market is not doing anything. Just relax, be patient, wait for high quality setups. Right now, the market is not doing anything, right? It's just dried. So let's see if I see any questions in the chat box. Joseph said, "What is your prediction based on your chart?" There's no prediction right now, okay, Joseph. And let me explain something to you, Joseph. The charts is not about predicting anything, all right? Crypto market or crypto, the industry is honestly messed up, man. It's just backwards. Most people think that you can just go on a chart, look at it, and say, "Hey, man, December 5th is when the bulls is gonna come." No. The reason why most people think that way is because these stupid YouTubers messed up this whole crypto industry, making people think that you can predict prices. You can't. So my charts is not telling me anything. All it's telling me that is still bearish, but we are in this channel, and we have to just wait until market breaks the channel. That's it. It's that simple. Okay. So let's look at XRP and these other cryptos real quick. This stream is not going to be that long. Same thing with XRP, and XRP looks bearish too, but at the same time it's stuck in this range, and we just have to wait. It wouldn't surprise me if we see another up move, okay? But we just have to wait. Be patient. Anybody that's listening to this video that's trying to trade this crypto market right now, relax, okay? I don't care what no one tells you. If anyone tells you, "Hey, man, I see a good setup," no, forget about them, okay? Relax. The market's not doing anything. One minute is up, next minute is down. We've been doing this for almost 2 weeks or going on a month. So relax, be patient, wait for those high quality setups. This is why, me personally, I'm glad. What's going on, Dom? Let's see if I see any more questions. You at work right now? You say you just want to stop by? Okay. Yes. You said TRX. TRX, yes. Pretty much all these coins is not doing anything. Okay. TRX, we had resistance right here. We tried to break it once, twice, and then just sold off. That looks weak to me. That definitely looks weak. Someone asked about what coin is that? Neb. Let's see if I see it here. You said, is this a pump and dump? Yes. Anything that's in the bear market, it's always considered pump and dump. Okay. Unfortunately, the crypto market is tied to Bitcoin, so you're not really going to see any coin. You might see a coin that decides to go up for a week or two, but I'm talking about like reversing and decided to have a bull market. Just one coin alone, you don't see that. Okay, so yes, anything that's going up right now is considered a pump and dump, in my opinion, because the market is still bearish. Alex said TRX is a scam. Yeah, man. Well, I don't know if TRX is a scam, but at the same time, a lot of these coins are a scam. Okay, a lot of these coins are scams, and I believe the market has to wipe them out. Okay. I'm hearing a lot of things about the OTC markets, how when back comes in or goes live or whatever, these guys going to buy on the OTC markets, and it's not really going to show on the charts. Well, at the same time, I've been told you guys that don't expect any type of crazy move when back goes live, because it's too obvious. All right, it's too obvious. Let these other rookies, crypto investors, let them believe that November or December is the month where the bulls is just going to somehow flood the market. Let them guys believe that. All right. But it's too obvious for back to make this market just turn bullish. All right. So guys, if you have any questions, let me know. It's going to be a short stream because I do have another stream I have to get to. I have a day trading class that I came out with last week. So if you guys don't know anything about that and you want to sign up, Tuesday is the last day you can actually sign up to come into class. After that, I'm closing the doors. So definitely, if you have any questions, let me know. But right now, guys, the market is dead. And I came on a live stream just to remind you, or not even remind you, but just to tell you guys, especially the people that's trying to trade this market right now, chill out, relax, okay, relax. Wait for this market to pick up again. Right now, it's just dead. Just wait. I think it's going to pick up when we decide to either break below these lows right here. Okay. But But just be patient, guys. Don't force nothing just because you want to trade. Don't force nothing. Davina said, that's my month. Why November is your month, Davina? Joseph said, I appreciate your views, man. No problem, man. What's going on, George? What is what's FEKU? What's that? Yeah, like I said, I don't have no prediction on NEB. It's just right now it's going up, but don't expect NEB to continue to go up. Pot said, Ben, thanks for your insights. What do you think about right now? I don't think about anything. You said real world products, blockchain, cell phone. Well, like I said before, and like I said with any of these coins, what I'm looking for, okay, I don't have any thoughts on any coin right now. Okay, what I'm looking for is the market, the bear market, to finish. I'm waiting for that bull market to, not the bull market, but the bear market to finish, and I'm waiting for that bull market. I don't know when that's going to be. That could be, it could be like years from now. But when that bull market comes, that's when I'm looking to see where all these coins, I guess how these coins survive the bear market, okay? Even if your favorite coin has some type of real operations in the real world, really doesn't mean anything right now because we're in the bear market. I want to see how those coins operate when this bear market is over. I want to see the price. I want to see everything. Okay, because I believe that a lot of these coins are going to get wiped out, and I can't really say anything about any coin right now until I see these coins, how they perform or how they will perform during this bear market. Because your favorite coin might get wiped out. So that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm trying to say. Your favorite coin might get wiped out. I'm not saying it's going to get wiped out, but it might. Okay. Even if it has real operations. I know it sounds weird. I know it sounds, oh my gosh, what are you talking about? That's impossible. Well, welcome to the markets. Welcome to the markets where everything is possible. Oh man, you know, when I first started investing, I thought the same thing. Oh man, that's impossible. Well, welcome to the markets, guys. The market will always humble you. At the end of the day, it will make you feel like you really don't know anything. All right. So that's why I don't really try to predict or go too far in the future, because that's just, honestly, you playing with, when you go too far in the future, you are playing with hope, wish, all that stuff. Okay. So let me see if I see any other questions. Brad say, hey Ben, glad to check in live. How's your class going? Actually, the class is going great. People are learning a lot. People are surprised. They like, man, I'm surprised you telling us this, this information. That's why, like I said, this is a rare situation where I'm just doing it once, and after that, I'm not putting this product. This product is not going to be I'm not going to promote it to the public after the class is done. Okay, but everything is going great. Let me see here. Can I ask about the S&P 500? Did you take any trades this week outside the crypto? Joseph, that's what I do. Okay, I don't rely on just crypto. I got in crypto last year. All right, made some money, and that's it. But Crypto is not my main thing. My main thing is the financial markets. All right, that's my main thing. I trade the financial markets. Okay, so I trade. Right now I'm trading crude oil, but I can also always trade the Nasdaq, S&P 500, the Dow. Okay, that's what I do. I day trade it. So that's why that's why I always try to tell you guys. Okay, when I come on my live stream. When I come on my live stream, I always try to tell you guys, build a skill, okay? I don't care what skill it is. I don't care if you're selling cookies, you're selling clothes. I don't care. Build a skill that's going to allow you to generate more income every single month, okay? Me personally, my skill is knowing how to read the charts, okay? I decide to put my head down, study the charts, and figure out how this stuff works. That's my skill. Okay. The great thing about that is I don't have to rely on one market. Okay. Right now, most people that's in the crypto market, they are just relying on the crypto market. I can take my skills and go to other markets. I can go to Forex. I can go to stock market. I can go to futures market. So wherever the action is at right now, okay? So right now, this is a great example. Crypto right now is completely dead, all right? So I take my skills and go to markets that's moving, okay? And that's what actually people that bought my crypto course, which is this course right here, people that bought my crypto course, I actually are seeing these guys in the Discord room taking the skills that they learned from the crypto course and actually applying that to other markets like the Forex and stuff. Okay, so they swing traded Forex and all that different stuff. So that's what you can do when you start to build skills. So I'm glad. You don't understand, guys. Yes, you have to study. Yes, you have to practice, but it's worth it at the end, guys. It's worth it. Because you don't have to rely on the ETFs or the back or news or your favorite YouTuber. Okay, you rely on yourself. Okay. Let me see here. Let's see if I see any questions before I get out of here. Let me see here. John said, "Hey Ben, would you be able to briefly explain the structure and what is taught in your course?" So I'm guessing you're talking about this, my day trading course. So basically, what this is about is day trading the futures. I trade the futures market. All right. The futures market, you can trade a lot. You can even trade the Forex using the futures market. I don't know, a lot of people don't know that, but you can actually still trade the Forex. Okay, certain pairs. Okay, you can trade euro. Euro. Was it British pound? All a lot of different Forex currencies, and you can trade crude oil, you can trade S&P, the Dow, the Nasdaq. It's so many products that you can trade. But this class is strictly about day trading the futures market. All right, and I'm showing you what I do every single day during the day. Okay, how I look at the market, how I look at the charts, what I do every single day, and I give you guys that. I teach you via private live stream. Okay, so I go live on a private live stream, and I give you guys the dates in the Discord room, and you just show up and let me teach, take notes, all that good stuff. So far right now, we are up to, right now, today is actually going to be the 4th class. And Tuesday is going to be the last day anyone can actually sign up for this class. I'm closing the doors on Tuesday. So this class is strictly for people that want to take their trading business. And yes, I said business. Most people think that this is a game. This is a video game, or something that they do on the side. No, this is a business. Okay, so if you want to take your trading business to the next level and trade full time and make that daily and weekly income, then this class is for you. All right, I'm gonna teach you everything step by step. So if you guys don't have that link, I'm gonna give it to you right now. If you have any other questions, let me know. So Davina birthday is in November. All right, shout out to her. November what? Novena, November what? The 5th? Okay. So if hope, if I let me see, the 5th, so I'm gonna see if I can go live that day and say happy birthday to you. Shout out to Davina. You doing anything special on your birthday? What's going on, Mrs. Sandy? Brad said, what do you think about the back-to-back losses in the stock market? Do you think it would continue to drop? Yeah, I think, eventually this market, that market has to come down. Okay, it's up too much. Do I think it's going to continue to go down like just straight down? No. I think we will have a pullback. Okay, I think we will have a pullback and try to go up one more time. But this could be the beginning of the crash, but don't expect it just to go down just like that. No, these guys are too smart. They will play with you. Okay, they play with your emotions, your head. So no, I don't think it's gonna just go straight down. But yes, this could be, this might be the beginning of the crash. We'll see. This market, I mean, this world, honestly, guys, has so much debt. It's ridiculous. So, we honestly, guys, we had it easy, especially these young teenagers that don't know anything about a real recession. Most people don't know nothing about a real recession. Your guys had it easy. Okay, you guys had it easy, and once this stuff start to collapse, you're gonna see. People are going to lose their jobs. People, the 401ks is going to get wiped out. What else? Interest rates is going to go up. Mortgages is going to go up. A lot of people are not going to be able to buy a house because the interest rates is so high, and they don't have good credit. Blah blah blah. Credit cards is going to go up. The interest rates. Car loans, everything, man. Everything, trust me, it's just going to be a disaster. Gas is probably going to go up. Food prices probably going to go up. So it's going to be a disaster. Most people, honestly, guys, we had it good, man. We had it good for a long time, man. I think a lot of people took it for granted. Me personally, I'm well aware of all this stuff because I have financial education, so I understand the boom and bust cycles. That's why when I come on the YouTube and I talk about this, especially with the crypto market, most people think that I'm just a bear and blah blah blah. Okay, I'm not a bear. Okay, I really believe that this is the first stage of the bear market when it comes to cryptocurrencies. I believe that we will still see another. We will continue to go down when it comes to cryptocurrencies. Okay, and your favorite YouTuber every single month is they're gonna say, hey man, every single month, this is the month, guys. Like this month, that guy Alicio or whatever his name is, he said that October is gonna be a moon month. I didn't see nothing yet. Okay, the market didn't move yet. All right, next month is gonna be something different. December is gonna be something different. February is gonna be the beginning of the month, so they're gonna, of course, come up with something. All right. Let's see here. What's going on, Randy? You said chilling, bro, taking in this knowledge. Yeah, man. You know, it's really nothing to talk about with the crypto market because it's dead. You know, it's dead. Bitcoin looks like the new stable coin, or you know, pretty much the market looks like the new stable coin. Nothing is going. Nothing is you know. But me personally, I don't. This stuff doesn't distract me. It probably distracts a lot of other people, like the people that's new. But this is not a distraction to me. The overall picture is still bearish. There's no new users. That whole situation with back that's not even bullish at all. So we are still in the bear market, and if you've been following me for the longest, you know, because people have been calling bull markets for the longest, and around March, I've been telling you guys, a bear market doesn't just last for 3 months, 6 months, and just reverse. Okay, I've been trying to tell you guys that all year, and most people didn't believe, and they thought every single month was going to be that bull month. All right. So I guess it's just, you know, you're just going to have to just wake up on your own. I can't continue to tell you guys what's really going on. Yeah, it'll definitely get real ugly. Okay, and guys, if you have any questions, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know, guys. But this whole situation with this market is just unbelievable. Market is not doing anything. It's absolutely disgusting. Okay, real disgusting. And I really don't want you guys to force any trades right now. Just wait it out. Okay. And also, I don't want you guys to get, you know, I don't want you guys to get tricked or have these guys trick you. Okay. The news will do that. The news will make you believe that we will turn bullish real soon. The news will definitely do that. And then you have these YouTubers that will magnify the whole situation. So you have the news, then you have YouTubers. And since they have a lot of followers and a lot of subscribers, you start to believe them. You think that they are telling the truth. Okay? So how do you control billions of people? All right? How do you control billions of people? You keep them uneducated, right? That's how you control billions of people. You keep them uneducated. I can guarantee you 50 or more % of the stuff that's in your head right now. Someone told you, you know, that someone told you, you know, what you know right now. They told you how to think, how, you know, what to believe. And the same thing goes when it comes to the crypto market, right? They tell you what the media tells you what to think and how to believe and how to act. So they feed you the knowledge. So whatever they want you to believe, that's what they feed to you, and most people in this crypto world, they believe it. You know, they eat it all up. You have to question everything. So I'm about to get out of here, guys. Let's see if I see any more questions. Yeah, fear controls people. Exactly. but also hope controls people too. Okay, hope controls people. So these guys are the masters of spreading hope. Okay, don't worry, guys. The market's gonna be good. Just wait until December. Back is coming out. Boy, oh boy. I thought Bitcoin was supposed to be at 50K by the end of this year. I thought XRP was going to be at $5. This is according to all your favorite YouTubers. XRP was supposed to be at $5 at the end of the year. Bitcoin was supposed to be at 50K by the end of this year. Okay. This is from straight from your favorite YouTuber, all right? In the news. So I hope one of these days, if you're listening to my live stream, you guys will wake up. I know some of you guys are awake, but some people are still sleeping. And it is what it is. But this market alone is not doing anything, okay? It's just horrible. One candle red, next candle green. A candle red, next candle green. Alrighty, so let's see here. Jason said, no, it won't be good in September. This year is supposed to be a bear market. Exactly. Don said, hi, Ben. Do you invest in any real estate stock that have dividend? I'm looking into big time. Let me ask you a question, Don. Do you have time to day trade during the day? Don Dada, do you have time to day trade? And it's the reason why I'm asking you that, right? Jason said, yes, hang in there. Yes, definitely hang in there. Definitely hang in there. But not only hang in there, because I don't want you guys to just have that mentality. Hang in there, be patient. I really don't want you guys to have that mentality. If you know me by now, you know I always preach take action, right? Be active, have skills, build skills. All right, so that's what you really want to do on your spare time. Build skills. So you say you don't have time for day trading. Okay, so if you don't have time for day trading, maybe look into swing trading, okay? And the reason why I'm saying that is because you can do way better if you can control your own profit, okay? So if you can decide to say, you know what, I'm not going to rely on a company paying me every single month, because you really like to really benefit from those things, you have to have a decent amount of capital, and you can actually make more money swing trading versus trying to collect any type of dividend. All right. And it don't have to be swing trading in crypto either. It could be anything, stocks, whatever. So do I invest in that? No, I don't invest in it, because I can do way more with my money if I just swing trade. You said I do, I don't. I don't know exactly what you're saying, Don Dada. You said I don't have time, and then you said I do. So can you? You're confusing me right now. So do you have time for day trading, or you don't? Because I'm trying to figure out what you're trying to say. But yeah, me personally, I don't do that because at this stage that you are at right now, your main goal is to build capital, okay? Build wealth. Not get little drips, all right? Because what that does is if you get little drips, it's going to force you to continue to work. And that's what I don't want you guys to do. I don't want you guys to go to work. I want you guys to work for yourself. You said I do swing trade on demo. Okay, yeah. So if you swing trade on demo, just try to master that. At the end of the day, of course, I'm not giving no one financial advice. You can do whatever you want at the end of the day. You can do whatever you want. I'm just trying to help you not to think like the rest, okay? I'm just helping you not to think like the rest, okay? If you want to buy the real estate stock, have dividends, whatever, you can do it. But I'm also trying to help you understand that you can actually make more money relying on yourself. You know, if you're balling like that, where you can have if you have a lot of cash laying around and you balling like that, and you can put a lot of cash in those real estate, you know, stocks that pay dividends, and then you have another stack that you can actually use to swing trade or day trade, then, you know, go for it, I guess. But if you don't have it like that, then I wouldn't, me personally, I wouldn't do it. Let me see. Do you think the big corporations and companies left cryptocurrencies because it's boring how how the market looking? I think overall, if they do want to get in, they probably gonna wait until the market continue to drop. I think they feel this is probably, you know, real risky, and they probably gonna wait for lower prices. What's going on, Keith? Keith is actually one of my students from the day trading class, so shout out to him. He's definitely been doing real good, taking in notes, soaking in all that information. He said, Keith said, what's up, fam? I just finished working out. See you in the class later. Yeah, definitely see you in the class. He said, folks, get Ben's day trading course. It's well worth it. Every penny he's teaching you. Yes, shout out to him. Let me see here. What do you think happened to the market over this year? Okay. So that's a good question. He said, what do I think happened to the market this year? All right. Very simple. I believe most people, the insiders, they knew that the market was going to crash. Okay, you had what's that guy? Man, I forgot that guy's name. It's not Tommy Lee. It's that Charlie Lee, I believe, right? The Litecoin dude. He's, you know, quite sure he knew the market was going to crash. You had BitConnect go down. You have a lot of companies doing a lot of exit scams this year. So it was just basically the market itself was going up to the point where it's unsustainable. Okay. And another reason why you're seeing this activity is because, you know, you got the big boys knocking at your door, okay? You got the big boys knocking at the door right now. And the big boys I'm talking about is the government, okay? Before, we didn't have that problem. So, at the end of the day, me personally, I'm like, I wouldn't say You know, if we were still operating the way we did back in the days, I would say, you know, guys, don't worry, bull market's gonna come soon, whatever. But you know, I think times or you know, this stuff, the crypto market might change. So that's another reason, because you have the government trying to step in, regulate things. They basically seeing too many people, too many average Joes. You know, too many average Joes are pretty much making a lot of money, and those guys don't like that. So they knocking on the doors and saying, "Hey, man, we gotta regulate this, we gotta regulate that." Okay. So that's why I said, be careful, guys. Anybody that's trying to buy the bottom, be careful. If you're trying to put your whole wealth into one coin just because your favorite YouTuber told you that this coin looks like it's going to moon, be careful, because we don't know what coins are going to survive this bear market. I don't care what coin it is. I don't care if the coin is actually having or have real life. You know, it's doing something in, you know, in the real world. It doesn't matter. Okay, any of these coins can actually just not work and go to zero or close to zero. So me personally, I would never ever decide to dump all my wealth in and just say, hey man, I'm waiting. Nah. Okay. So that's you know, those are the main reasons why the market is looking like it. Okay. And I also believe that CNBC is behind a lot of stuff too. I believe that they got permission to pump this market and dump it. All right. Because it doesn't make any sense why CNBC will pump an unregulated market. It doesn't make any sense. So I'm quite sure they got permission to do that from the big boys, from the people up top. Let me see here. If I see any more questions. Jason said, interesting. Yes, man. Thanks a lot. So I'm about to get out of here, man. If you guys have any more questions, let me know. Please don't let these YouTubers hype you up. You really have to look at the big picture. Okay. The big picture right now, we're in the bear market, and we just have to wait for the bull market to come. When it's going to come, we don't know. No one knows. Okay. It could be years from now. Everyone somehow believe it's going to be next year. And guys, it doesn't work like that. Just because you believe it's going to be next year, it doesn't work like that. Okay. This is why I always try to tell you guys, build skills. All right. Build skills that's going to help you build your monthly income. Okay. Buy and hold is not going to do that, because you got to sit and wait. Okay. For the people that's stuck in these stocks, when that stock market decides to crash, it's going to be game over for a lot of people that rely on buy and hold. So anyway, let me see if I see any more questions. Thanks a lot, guys, for stopping by. I definitely appreciate it. If you have any questions, definitely email me. If you want to get in this class before Tuesday, definitely email me, or if you have any questions. But shout out to everybody that's here. Make sure that you don't force any trades in this market. This market is stuck. It's not doing anything. Don't listen to your favorite YouTuber. I don't care how many subscribers he have. I don't care how much good news he tell you every single day. Okay, he's gonna read the good news to you every single day, but it doesn't mean anything, guys. Okay, it's just hope. We just have to wait, guys. All right. If you're waiting for that bull market, that's all you have to do is wait. Me personally, I would suggest you to just study how the market works, or do something in the meantime, okay, to generate more income. So let me give you guys a round of applause. Thanks a lot for stopping by. And I would definitely see my students later on. What's going on, Eric? Okay, so Eric, you're late to the party because I'm about to be out here. But thanks a lot, Eric, for stopping by. You could also look at that replay. Okay. And just always improve, guys. All right, life is about improving. So study, 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 improve, and you guys will be okay. All right. So guys, thanks a lot. Later, Divina, and take care, everybody. You say you made 15% on that Dodge coin last 2 days. That's what's up. Let me give you that ka-ching button. But just be careful, Eric. You know, be careful in this market. This market is chopped right now, up and down. But anyway, talk to you guys later, and have a great day.